Sorry, I'm just, what's it called? Recording something for my Amazon review, bro. I'm actually doing a review.
You know that type of person that would do a review now in the nicest possible way. In your little turtleneck as well. With like a review of the product now.
Yeah, I just want to show them what it looks like. I think that's really helpful, isn't it? That's the only reason I want to do it, because it's actually helpful. Do something, man. Do something else.
What do you put chicken on 180?
Yeah, generally, yeah. Yeah, 180 to make sure that it actually cooks inside.
Oh, I need to do the carrot. I forgot about the carrot.
Hitting the road in our trusty travelling auction house. On the hunt for treasures hidden in homes all across Britain. Good morning.
And our mission, to find these unloved and forgotten gems.
Everything we find
And fix.
will go under the hammer in our travelling sale room. 480. Yeah. You know what we say? Have gavel, will travel.
The Travelling Auctioneers, tonight at 9 on Really or stream on Discovery Plus.
Under the family tree are the roots,
That's wonderful.
connecting their past
Well, it's chilling.
to their present.
I've walked past there 1,000 times in my life.
Who do you think you are? Starts Thursday the 20th of June on Really.